Hi, and welcome to Lawnmower Care. Today we have this Hilti DSH 900X, and we're having an issue with it starting. So, customer was saying that the cord is like impossible. You push the decompression up front here, you push it in, and then it's supposed to be really easy to pull out. And it's just really like to the point where you have to like, I mean, it's not like where you can actually pull it. You know what I'm saying? It like wants to stop. So when you push on it, it doesn't release the compression. So what I was thinking, we would try to switch this valve out. It's a decompression valve, and it opens and it closes. On the red switch, it's really, I mean, you don't really get much of this where you can actually hear it open and close. So let's change that out and see if it makes a difference with the cord. Because you really have to pull it hard for it to work. So let's get a 13 millimeter deep and a 1/4 inch ratchet. So let's get our, and then you don't want to tighten these too much. I mean, you don't want to over torque them because you don't want to strip it off or anything. Here's the old one. And as you can see, you can't even open or close it. Unless you really push on it. So that one looks like it's a little worn out. Here's one here that just works so much better in my opinion. I think it'll make a difference. Let's make sure we have the right size. We got it. There it is. Took a second. You don't want to strip it. There we go. Tighten it up. That's good. So the new one's in there. You can actually open it, close it. Let's push it in. Prime it once. Turn on the machine. Let's give it a pull. Wow, it almost started. Push in that button. It hasn't ran in a while, so it's smoking a little bit. Anyway, if you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.